Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here you have to know about the SQL parameter. You have to find the website. Okay. Then what will be the Google Doc? Then Google Doc will be here. Okay. Site column dot pk in URL PHP question mark ID is equal to okay. After that you can find many websites of this type here. ID is equal to 55, ID is equal to 13, ID is equal to 47, ID is equal to 2. Okay, but here I am taking one website which is vulnerable through SQL and try to get the username and passwords of this website and database of this website. Okay, this website is vulnerable through SQL. I will also give you the website. You have to find the username and password field. Okay, I will give you the live websites after the class. Okay, here you can find this type of parameter www.syntax.pk/about question mark id is equal to a. If you get this type of parameter, then you have to try first one single chord. Okay, single chord. After that hit enter, then you will get the error message. You have an error in your SQL syntax. If you get this type of error, then it may be this website will be vulnerable through SQL, and after that you can get the data of this website, database of this website. Here this website are here this website is using PHP language. Okay, here programming language is PHP, and if you get this type of website or this type of parameter, then you have to first apply single code. Okay, id is equal to 1 2 3 anything you can get, then you have to apply single code, and after that hit enter, then you can get this type of error, SQL syntax error. Okay, because this website is made on SQL PHP language, so you can run the SQL query. Okay, but here you have to balance the query. Then you have to enter hyphen hyphen plus, or hyphen hyphen plus, or hyphen hyphen minus you can use. Okay, hyphen 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 plus you can use. When you use hyphen hyphen plus, then query will be balanced, and after that you can get the original web page. Okay, yeah, hyphen hyphen plus is used to comment the query. Okay, you have to write all the query. Okay, because I will not send you the query. Yeah, you have to write all the query. Okay, now here in this field, between single quote and hyphen hyphen plus, you can use any SQL syntax query. So our first, yeah, minus minus plus, minus minus minus, you can use anything. Okay, anything you can use. Hyphen hyphen plus, hyphen hyphen minus. Yeah, hyphen 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 is used to comment the query. Comment the query, comment the query. Okay, so now I want to find the number of column in this website. I want to find the number of column in this website, so I will use here order by, order by 1. Okay, I will use order by 1, order by 10, anything I will use. Here I am using order by 50. Order by 50, then you can get this type of unknown column. It means 50 column is not present. Okay, try order by 30. Here 30 column is also not present. Hello, try 20. Here 20 column is also not present. Okay, try 15. Yeah, you get the website. It means here is 15 column is present in this website, so try 16, order by 16. Yeah, here you can find that only 15 column is present in this website, only 15 column. Okay, only 15 column are present in this website, so you have to run the next query to find the vulnerable database where you can find the username and password field. So what we have to run the query? The query will be union select select union select 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma wait. 4,5,
So why we are using union select, sir?
this is using to find the vulnerable database, vulnerable columns. Okay, this is used to find the vulnerable column, which column is vulnerable, and through, because here is 15 column, and how can you find all the database from 15 columns? So I have to find the vulnerable database. So I'm using vulnerable database, it means vulnerable column. After that you can able to find the password or username of this website. Okay, this is the manual query, but if you want to do through tools, I will also tell you about that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
here, yeah, here PHP question mark ID is equal to yeah, union select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
For 15 pages you are giving this, sir.
from 14 15, only 15 columns are present here, so I am writing here 1 to 15. Okay, union select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
If you want to find the vulnerability, sir.
Yeah, this command is run to find the vulnerable column.
Okay, sir.
Same query you will run on the other website. Okay,
Okay, sir.
hyphen, I'm using hyphen to wrong the query. If you wrong the query, then you can get the database. It means you can get the vulnerable column. So how can you get the vulnerable column? So here is the command hyphen a single dash union select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here 1 2 3 4 to 15 is the number of column. Okay,
Okay,
if you get the 50 column, then you have to use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 to 50. Okay,
okay, sir.
yeah, after that hit enter, then you can find the third and fourth website. Third and fourth column is vulnerable. Third, it means third column is vulnerable or fourth column is vulnerable. So you have to type here in the place of 3 database, database, yeah, database 1 2 comma, I am using in the place of 3 database. Okay, hit enter, then you can able to find the database name. The database name is sendexger_web. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is the name of database. Now if you get the database name, then you have to find the column name sorry, you have to find the table of this database. Okay, so what will be the query? I am showing you the query. Okay, here is the query. Yeah,
If we do with the Indian sites, what will it happen, sir?
nothing, but they will trace you. Okay, so don't ping anything. Okay,
Sir, but the website, we find the vulnerability and there is a website.
yeah, then no problem,
Okay.
now here,
So these are the rules to find the vulnerability, sir.
yeah, tell me.
These are the rules to find the vulnerability, sir, of the website.
We will discuss the after the class. Okay,
Okay.
so union select, I am using this one command. Okay, Harish,
Sir?
can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am using this one command.
Okay, sir. Sir, why we are using
This is the command. Okay, and this command is used to find the table. Okay, here I am using this one command to find the vulnerable table. Okay, from the database. This one will be the command. The command is same, always same. Okay, yeah, here I am using this. Where is sir? Yeah, wait. Yeah, I will use hyphen plus is used to comment the query because you are entering the SQL commands. Do you know about HTML, JavaScript, Python, anything? So PHP is also a language. Okay, PHP is also a language. If you are using any query, then you have to comment the query. After that, you will run. Okay. Minus hyphen will also work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here information table underscore constraints group concat 1 2 3 group underscore concat table underscore name 1 2 3. Yeah, in the place of 3. Okay. 7. Okay. Here you can see that select union select 1 2 group underscore concat table underscore name is in the place of 3. After 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, all the things are good now. After that you can find all the database all the tables which are hidden in the database. Okay. And here you can get the table underscore admin also. Table underscore admin you can also find. Okay. So you have to get the information because here you get many tables, PDF sections, shippings, table underscore mailing, table underscore confirmation, many more thing. But here you can see that in table underscore admin it seems that if you want to try on any database then you will try, but here I have tried on it, and table underscore admin in this table underscore admin many sensitive information will be hidden. Okay. Many sensitive information will be hidden because I know that, because I have tried on it. Okay, if you don't know then you have to try on all the tables. Okay. First you will use cards, after the cats, after the I will tell you about that. Next command is used. Okay. I am editing all this. Yeah, this one command after the this one command 1 2 3 4 5 group underscore concat column name. I want to find the column name where table name is equal to table underscore admin. Okay. I have to find the column name where table underscore name is equal to table underscore admin. Okay. If you want to find the information in cat then you will use here cat. If you will want to find the in any information on the table cart, then you will use here cart. Okay.
Can you please send these two commands before one command, the contact table and this command in chat box, only two commands.
Okay, I will send you all the commands. Okay, but you will try.
Only two commands, sir.
No, I will send you all the commands. Okay.
Sir, after the class you can say.
Okay, 1 2 in the place of 3 I am using group underscore concat column name. After that you have to use 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. Comma.
Sir, we are finding the column, sir.
Yeah, I am finding the column through the table underscore admin. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I want to find the column from the table. The table name is table underscore admin. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hit enter. Then you can get the many more information. username comma password. Okay, then here you can get the username and password also, and you have to crack this. Then what will be the next command? The next command is here. Okay, you have to write this one command. Okay, wait, 1,2 group underscore concat. You have to find the username. Okay, you have to find the username. Then the command I will send you after the class. The command is here. Here, where is SQL commands? Okay, here is the command. This one is the command. Okay, this one is also command sql.txt. Yeah, here you have to use this one. Union select this one command to find the username and password. Okay. Again,
27 mod, 20 union mod, that's command, sir.
where is the mod?
So modulus.
No, I can't see mod anywhere.
No, sir, in the text, sir.
Yeah, here or in this text. In this text, 0x, yeah, 0x3a. 0x3a is used to separate the username and password. Okay, it is a hint.
Separate, sir.
Yeah, it's separating. Okay, it is the hint. Okay, it is the hint. It is not a command. Okay, to separate the username and password through a single double column. Okay,
Okay, sir.
here I have used this one command. After that, hit enter. Then you can get the username and password of this website. Okay, the username of this website is admin, and after that the password of this website is 123. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will send you all the commands. Okay, wait. Here %20 it means %20 it means a space. Okay,
Okay, sir.
%27 is used for single quote. After that you have to read this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we do this. Okay, here %24 space %20 table underscore admin. Okay, you will edit all this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if you will get any problem, then I will send you all the PDFs. Okay, but first you have to try. No, not this one command. Not this one command. Yeah, I'm sending you the command from back to start. Okay. And do you remember about order by any commands? Order by 1, order by 2. Are you clear about order by why I'm using order by 1, order by 10, order by 100, order by 50, order by 30, order by 20?
Sir, to find how many columns and to find
Yeah. So I'm not sending you the commands of order by. Okay.
Sir, second, what's the use of the second command, sir? Please contact column name.
Here,
Show all the columns.
this one command. Tell me about that. This one command.
Second command, sir.
What will the second command? Tell me again.
HTTPS www.ds+27
This one command.
mod 27 mod 20 union mod 20 select mod 201.2 group contact parentheses column name.
Yeah. Wait. This command is used to find the column in the table, which is table underscore admin. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now through tool, how can you use the and find the passwords? I am using here the tool. The tool is SQL map. Okay.
X2 not, sir.
SQL map.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Here is the SQL tool. Okay. History, I have run the command. Yeah, this one will be the command. Okay. So here, if you want to find the database, then you have to run this one command, SQL map -u. U it means URL. Okay.
Okay. Sir, DBS is database, sir.
Yeah. DBS means database.
Okay, sir.
-u is used to URL. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, hit enter.
Sir, big minus double minus table things shows the table, sir.
See here only. Okay, I am running the commands. Okay, this one is the first command. SQL map -u is used for URL, -dbs is used for database. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I will send you in the chat box. There is a space between -u and URL. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. After that, here you can find the database name, and the database name is sandexger_web, and second one is information_schema. Okay. Here is the two database. First one database is sandexger_web, and second is information_schema. Okay. And I want to find the tables from sandexger_web. Okay. So -d here, -d it means database, -- table. I want to find the tables from the database.
So
That
minus
-d
u plus
is used for database. Okay.
minus u.
U for URL.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, here after that, hit enter, then you can able to find the tables name. All the tables are here: cards, cats, customer, view. But here if you will want to try on all the table, then you will try. But here you can get table_admin, and this data is very sensitive. So try to get the information from this website. Here I am using the next one command. This is the next one command. Okay, this one command, SQL map -u is used for URL. After that, -d it means database, -t it means table, and hyphen columns. I want to find the columns from the table. The table name is table underscore admin. So hit enter, then you can get the all the information. Here is the information. In the column you can find the password and username.
Username.
Yeah, username and password. So now try to find the username and password of this website. So what will be the next command? So here is the next command.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, use the
So minus C command, sir.
column.
Okay, sir. Password.
First I want to find the password. No, username. Okay, username, then use username. Okay, username, and after that hyphen dump. Okay, hit enter.
Okay.
Then here you can find the username is admin. Okay, here the username is admin. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here now you want to find the password. Then run the command PASSWORD. Here the spelling of password is PASSWORD. Hit enter, then you can able to find the password of this website. Okay,
Okay, sir.
is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now try to find the websites which is vulnerable through SQL and find the database of the website. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now it will be your work. After that we will start the next session. So, and the next tool you have to use Havis. Havis is also good tool for Windows. So install this tool in on your Windows. After that run the tools. Okay,
Okay, sir. Have it, sir.
yeah, Havis. You have to install this on your VirtualBox or in main Windows. Okay,
Okay. In the training, sir.
yeah. Havis tool for SQL. This is a GUI tool, but this tool is used in Windows, so you have to use the Havis tool for SQL. Okay, after that
Okay.
this one will be the command, and after that you have to try this. Okay.